Hello, my name is Rachel Doxey, and I am presenting with my teammates today Disturbia Nitro Cold Brew Coffee. It's part of University of Georgia Department of Food Science and Technology Senior Capstone. At the beginning of August, we were presented with a problem of a startup company is investing in cold brew coffee, and their goal is to produce 500 kilograms of coffee per day. Our solution and objective to this was to create an innovative nitro cold brew product that will be competitive in the marketplace, as well as be able to sell to the startup company so that they will invest in us. Our presentation today will begin with a background of coffee. Traditionally brewed coffee uses hot water as well as fine grounds and a short time period for extraction. This results in a more bitter taste. Compared to cold brew coffee, which uses room temperature or colder water, has an extraction time period of at least 12 hours or longer, and uses coarser grounds to result instead with a less bitter and lower acidity. Research has shown this is up to 66% less. Currently in the industry, we're in the third wave coffee movement. In general, coffee is the second most consumed beverage in the world. Specifically for cold brew from 2015 to 2017, the category grew in the market by 460%. In 2017 alone, there was over $38 million in sales. Specifically for nitro cold brew coffee, more than 1 in 5 millennials would purchase bottled/canned nitro coffee. This is a different trend than the typical cold brew because nitrogen infusion heightens the decrease in bitterness and acidity of cold brew extraction, as well as results in a full-bodied, creamy mouthfeel.
Hi there, I'm Matt Bowie, and I'm the Research and Development Specialist. And I'm here to show you our process diagram of how we obtained our company. We started out by grinding the coffee beans that have been pre-roasted for optimal efficiency, and then it goes and moves into an extraction vat, which our mineral water is added. Then a extraction of the coffee moves to a high-pressure, short-time pasteurization, then further on to a nitrogenator, and then followed to our canning and packaging. So, to put it in perspective, our product will be an affordable nitrogenated cold brew coffee that our average selling price will be around $2.99. Our coffee will buy pre-roasted Arabica beans from a reputable source to ensure maximum quality. And these beans will be ground to approximately 0.8 millimeters to ensure optimal water distribution within the cold brew. And the coffee will be extracted after 14 hours of brewing, and each batch will be pasteurized at high temperature for a short period of time to ensure complete microbial pathogen destruction. After that, each batch will be nitrogenated before being canned and shipped out to our happy customers. So a couple of equipment that we'll be using that we found to maximize our process would be a Ditting KFA 1403 industrial coffee grinder, a couple of insulated steel extraction vats, an Apple 6x9 heat exchanger for a pasteurizer, some Model 701 Friston centrifugal pumps, a nitrogen tank, and a Craft Can 15 servo canning line.
Hi, my name's Christy. I'm the last partner on this project. Here we have our floor plan. We are assuming that our proprietor wants to buy their own land and build their own warehouse. And so we plan on a 5,000 square foot warehouse with 2 stories and a platform that goes across the northern and western interior to overlook the whole process. 2 garage doors, each about 10 feet wide, can be seen here and here to help bring product in and out. And then we added additional optional coffee shop in the top right corner that has dimensions of 25 feet cubed. This is completely optional for our proprietor to build and can help increase revenue if needed. Each piece of equipment for our warehouse will stay around 10 feet apart from each other to ensure proper flow. For our work schedule, our employees will have a total of a 27-hour work week. On Monday, we will be grinding all our coffee beans for the week and start brewing the first batch around 6 p.m. with a 14-hour extraction time. On Tuesday, the first batch will be done brewing at about 8 a.m., and then it will be pumped into the pasteurizer to be pasteurized, and then go into the nitrogenator vat to cool to room temperature. At this time, the second batch will begin extraction around 6 p.m. On Wednesday, the first batch will be completely cooled to room temperature, and then is nitrogenated and canned. The second batch is then pasteurized and pumped into the nitrogenator vat where the first batch just was to be cooled down. On Thursday, the second batch is finally cooled to room temperature and is nitrogenated and canned. On Friday, we plan on shipping the product out along with cleaning and clean-in-place systems for all our equipment. And on weekends, we are closed. For our cost analysis, we expect an initial investment of $1 million to build the warehouse and purchase all the equipment necessary. And the total cost to make a year's worth of cold brew is about $400,000. This includes supplies and utilities for the whole year. We plan to sell the can for $2.99 to make a gross profit of about $160,000 a year, and with that gross revenue, we can pay off our investment of $1 million in about 6 years. Thank you so much for listening today, and have a great day. These are our resources that helped us research cold brew and come up with our production plan.